Alright guys, check this out, the HYTE Y60. This thing isn't just a PC case, it's practically a work of art. Seriously, the panoramic tempered glass design is insane. 3 pieces of glass, no corner pillar blocking your view. Your components are on full display, like a museum exhibit. And the best part? You can admire your build from either side of your desk. Just spin it around. No more awkward leaning or craning your neck. Now let's talk about the GPU. It's vertically mounted, which, let's be honest, just looks cooler. Who wants to hide their graphics card anyway? And HYTE includes a PCIe 4.0 riser cable, so you're good to go. They even designed this sleek little protective shroud for the cable. Super clean, super integrated. Plus, you still have space for half-height PCIe cards behind the GPU. They really thought of everything. This case has what they call an antechamber construction. Basically, it's a dual-chamber design that lets you separate your core components from your cables and power supply. This not only keeps things tidy, but also improves airflow. Speaking of airflow, the Y60 has these awesome vents on the bottom, pulling cool air in and keeping those hot components happy. And it comes with 3 pre-installed Flow FE12 fans. They're whisper quiet, which is a huge plus for me. Nobody wants a PC that sounds like a jet engine. The white version is particularly stunning, but it also comes in other colors if white isn't your thing. It's an ATX mid-tower, so it's compatible with most standard motherboards. Building in this case is a dream. Everything is so well laid out and easy to access. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the dual-chamber design. Now, it's not perfect. The vertical GPU mount might limit compatibility with some super oversized graphics cards, so double-check the dimensions before you buy. And while the airflow is great, it might not be enough for some extreme overclocking setups. You might want to consider adding a couple extra fans if you're pushing your hardware to the limit. But honestly, those are minor nitpicks. Overall, the HYTE Y60 is a fantastic case. It looks amazing, it's easy to build in, and it keeps your components cool. If you're looking for a case that will turn heads and make your build the star of the show, the Y60 is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit of a premium price, but you're paying for the aesthetics and the innovative design. In my opinion, it's worth every penny. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you digging the panoramic design? Would you rock a vertically mounted GPU? Let's chat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.